नमस्कार दोस्तों, एनसी कैंपस चैनिया में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। टुडे आई विल स्टार्ट न्यू चैप्टर लाइक एज ए बॉन्ड ऑर्डर। हियर BO is equal to NB minus NA upon 2. Now the NB and NA. NB is equal to bonding molecular orbital. NB is equal to bonding molecular orbital and Na is equal to anti-bonding molecular orbital. We can take example of O2 negative, O2 negative 2, O2 positive and O2 positive 2. In this molecule ions like as O2 negative, O2 negative 2, O2 positive and O2 positive 2. Here the molecular configuration of the O2 O2 gives O plus O atom. A molecules हो गया। Now O2 is equal to sigma one S2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 sigma 2p z2 branching pi 2p x 2 4 6 2 8 10 12 pi 2p y2 pi star 2p x2 pi star 2p y2। दो 4 2 6 2 8 2 10 2 12 2 14 16 2 18 और न के 16। Here electronic configuration O is equal to 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 4. So, total number of electron will be 8 into O atom and O atom will be O2 molecules. So, one alone atom represent to 8 electron, so doublet atom of oxygen represent to 2 is equal to total number of electron will be 16. Here the molecular configuration represent to you sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, branching pi 2px2 and pi 2py2. Here NB, here bond order will be NB minus NA upon 2. NB bonding molecular orbital and Na anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital represented by star and bonding molecular orbital will be represented by clearly. So bonding molecular orbital 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 minus anti-bonding which are represented by star 2 to 4 upon 2 is equal to 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10 और ये हो जाएगा 2, 2, 4, 2, 10, 6 आ जाएगा, कहीं गड़बड़ हो रहा है। 8 दुना के 16, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2 पाई स्टार 2p x2 and pi star 2p y2. BO is equal to NB minus NA upon 2. Here NB bonding molecular orbital and NA will be anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now the case of O2 molecules will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 minus 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 2, 12, 2, 14, 2 pi star 2px1 and pi star 2py1. तो ये हो जाएगा 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon 2 is equal to ये हो जाएगा 8. 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. So O2 molecules represent O double bond O. In a case of O2 negative molecules, BO is equal to 2. But in the case of O2 negative molecules will be O plus O negative. Here the atomic number of the oxygen will be 8. O is equal to 8O. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p4. Another O negative is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So total number of electron will be 17. Total number of electron will be 17. Now the molecular configuration. Will be sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 sigma 2p z2 branching pi 2p x2 and pi 2p y2 branching pi star 2p x2 pi star 2p y2. These molecular configuration represent to bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 17. Bond order will be Np minus Na upon 2. Now the case of bonding molecular orbital which are not supported by star 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus 2, 4, 6, 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 by 2 equal 1.5. O2 negative bond order will be BO is equal to 1.5. Now the case of O2 negative 2 will be Thank you this classes. Again I will start O2 negative 2, O2 positive and O2 positive 2.